Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to pull up an old W-2 form from TurboTax and weren't sure how to do it, you're in the right place. Whether it's for tax corrections, loan applications, or just keeping your financial records straight. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process of accessing your old W-2s on TurboTax. This is the 2025 full guide, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and download your forms without any confusion. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Go to the TurboTax website. Open your browser and head over to the official TurboTax site. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Use the same login credentials you used when filing your taxes, usually your email and password. Step 2. Locate previous year's tax information. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the section labeled TurboTax Free Edition 2024, or the version you filed with. This section contains access to all of your past tax returns and related documents. Step 3. Search for your W-2. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar. Simply type in W-2. And TurboTax will generate quick links related to your W-2 forms. Step 4. Jump to the W-2 section. From the search results, click the shortcut that says Jump to W-2. This will take you directly to the area where all your W-2 forms are stored. Step 5. Review and select your W-2. You'll see a list of W-2 forms tied to your past tax returns. Click on the one you need, and TurboTax will open it up for you to review. From here, you can also download and save the W-2 as a PDF to your computer for future use. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can retrieve any old W-2 filed through TurboTax. So, that's how you get your old W-2 from TurboTax in 2025. Quick, simple, and stress-free. Remember, keeping your tax documents organized can save you a ton of headaches later on, whether you're applying for a loan, buying a home, or fixing an old return. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.